Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Killimani and today we are bringing you a beautiful listing. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, 139 square meters in Killimani, and it's going for only 19 million Kenyan shillings. It's spacious, it's beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So come on in. Here you have your intelligent lock door. So right here at the entrance you have, should we call them cabinets or is this a console? But it's just a lot of space, It's beautiful space. So on this other side you have a washroom. It's beautiful and spacious. There is a washroom for your guests. Yeah. So right here at the entrance we have your dining area. It's super beautiful and this is a table for 6, and there's a lot of space that's left, so that means you can actually host more than 6, maybe 8 or 10. Yeah, so as you can see we have very beautiful lighting fixtures. They're so beautiful, like I'm so much in love with them. We also have very beautiful and shiny glossy porcelain tiles. Yeah, that's your dining. And so coming in here you have your beautiful sitting area. So you can place your couch here, and there's also a socket here, so you don't need to extend sockets so long. There is one here and there's another one at the other side of the seat. So yeah, it's a beautiful, well lit and very airy space. So that's the sitting area. So here you have your balcony. It's super wide and you have a very beautiful view. Yeah, very beautiful view. It's beautiful and the air here is fresh. You can see all the greenery, you can see all the trees. I'm in love with this balcony. I'm in love with this view. So my people, here is the kitchen. It's so beautiful, and one thing that we can all agree on, like it stands out on, is the wood effect on the cabinets. Like it's so beautiful and so well done. They have contrasted it with very beautiful black handles and they're so beautiful. So as you can see, the countertops are white granite, so beautiful. And there's just so much you can do right here. As you can see, it comes with the hood, the cooker and the oven. So yeah, like it's just a perfect kitchen. It comes with a lot of sockets as well. As you can see, more sockets here. It's just sockets galore here. So you have a lot of cabinetry, you have a lot of storage. As you can see there's space here on this other side. There's also more space here, more cabinetry here, you know, the top and the bottom. And I think that's not enough. Here you have another storage. I think it's a spice rack. I don't know, what can you place right here? Or is it your cleaning supplies? I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know. You guys, you tell me. So you have a massive sink here. It's beautiful and it's massive. I love that about it. So I'll take you to the laundry area. So the laundry area comes with this transparent door, you know, for the lighting. So here you have your laundry sink, and also you have your space here to fit your washing machine. So, and you also clean with, a nice view. So that's the laundry area, and it's beautiful. It's nice and adequate. So I'll take you to the bedrooms. So right here you can either go to the master bedroom or the second bedroom. We'll save the best for last. So here is the smaller bedroom. As you can see, it's beautiful and so bright. It has a nice window, nice large window. Yeah, and you have sockets on both sides of the bed. It's just amazing, just nice. As you can see, also you have a nice lighting fixture, and if that does not fit your style, you can always change it. So here is the wardrobe wardrobe space for the bedroom. It's well partitioned. I really like it. I like it. It's beautiful and large and adequate. Yeah, so here is your washroom. Here is the washroom. You have a vanity set up here, some little space here, and a large mirror. Large mirror, and you have some storage space here as well. Is it called a medicine cabinet? I think so. Tell me if I'm wrong. You have a WC here and a beautiful shower cubicle here. You have all your accessories here are silver. They really match well and they really contrast well with the black. You also have a towel rack here. It's nice. That's the bedroom. So I'll take you to the master bedroom. So when you walk into the door, you have your beautiful washroom here. I'll show you that in a minute. But when you come. So you have a large window right here with a beautiful view. It's very beautiful and very, very bright. I like this bedroom. So you have a space here. I think you can fit a king bed right here. It's massive, it's spacious. Yeah, so I'll show you the wardrobe space. So the wardrobes here are, large, well partitioned. So very good use of space. So as you can see, a lot of space. So to the washroom. The washroom comes fitted. It looks almost like the other one. You have a nice large mirror. I like it. You have a vanity setup right here with WC, a bit of storage here, and more vertically. So, and here is your shower cubicle. This easily fits too, as you can see. So here is your shower accessories. They are all silver in color. You can see here. Yeah, so it's beautiful. You can even have a towel rack. So that's it about this 2-bedroom. It's beautiful, it's nice, and I'm in love with it. It's only going for 19 million Kenyan shillings, and as you can see, you're getting luxury at its best. Fortunately, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you can get to more people. I hope this is what you're looking for, and if you're actually not looking for a house, just enjoy it and share it with your friends. If you're looking for an apartment, if you're looking for your next home, please contact us and tell us what you're looking for. Yes, and we'll get it for you. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.